Hello everyone. I'm very happy to share this video with you all. This is with regard to some inquiries and some interest of people, those who really wanted to know about the transition that Mother Earth is going through. And it's not about Mother Earth only, it's about we as human are also going through certain transitions. Maybe you can call them as physical transitions, as well it is also spiritual and emotional transitions. Lots of healing is happening behind the scenes, and I can only share what I feel and experience as an authenticity, that this is not an easy task, this is not an easy process. So most of us can see some realities changing in their life, physical realities, and the transition process has been for them as well a bit difficult. Now, what is this transition I'm talking about? What exactly are all these things? These seems to be some new fashionable word, like which is in, and we all keep talking about it. So I have created certain content for you all from different sources, and my authenticity or my real experience would be that I myself feel there are lots of changes happening and lots of vivid things happening where in my dreams, which I feel and I journal them. But then people, those who are not from this area of work, might not connect and relate. So that is why I've kind of created a content from different sources of experts, which will be basically shared with you all. So it is up to you, how do you perceive. So this is something important to know, because we are part of this entire transformation happening. Very first thing which let me start with is, it is a process where we all know that it is related to Mother Earth. So you must have heard since 2020, when Corona impacted each one of us, we started talking about mental state, we started talking about reality of life, we started talking about existence of human. At the same time, there were lots of videos which came where we said that Mother Earth is angry, furious, and the kind of karmas we have created in not cleaning Mother Earth, or destroying Mother Earth's sanity, about the greenery, the nature, the peace. That is what we are getting the result. This kind of Corona impacted on Earth, and then now we are suffering just because of that. So let me not include Corona here, but although my personal experience and my revelation, what I have understood, it does play a very important role here during this transition. But then, as I said, I'm not going to share my revelation or my understanding in my first video itself, unless you people seem to be interested and want to know more about it, and you're not going to judge the video. Then only I will share what exactly I see, what I'm going through, and what I can understand the entire scenario. But here the content which I am sharing is something which is relatable to me, which I also indirectly agree to all the points. That is why I'm sharing it here, because I am a part of this transition, which I know very well, and hence I would like to share it with people, those who might not be aware but they feel certain symptoms and signs, and they are not very clear what is going in their life, because this video may ease you, this video may help you to understand the entire phases and changes that you're going through, and you will not panic, you will not be scared, but you will accept what is happening behind the scenes. See, when we talk about changes, transition, the very in word right now is ascension. So ascension process is what everybody knows what is the meaning of ascension. When we ascend, we say it is ascension. When we climb up, we say it is an ascension. What happens ascension when we speak from the point of view of a human being? So we all people, we all human are spiritual, and we are spirits, if we can say. So spirits are what? Just a soul, and we are here in a form of human because we have to learn, unlearn lots of things. We have to finish our karmas which we had prior vow with the realms which send us here as a human, maybe universe, maybe God, maybe the higher power. When they send us back, we have certain karma or karmic things which we need to finish it, and that is why we were born as and sent as human being to learn, unlearn and finish those karmas, and not to create any bad karmas again, so that we keep moving in this cycle. But as human, we cannot predict, so we behave and react the way we want to. So what happens? So we as a spirit and a soul are nothing but an energetic field who is aware of oneself. But when we say that we are aware about oneself, we are not 100% aware of oneself. That is why we are influenced, we react, we get irritated, we behave sometimes ridiculously and harming other people, because we see whatever we see, we just want to jump impulsively and work on it. That is what happens with human, and especially during certain dimensions. Now another new word has come in, which is called dimension. So what is dimension? Dimensions are levels where we exist. So like suppose for example, if we say we are in which dimension, so we would say like either we are in third dimension, and some people say, some readings have proved that we have already moved from third dimension and we were in fourth dimension till 2012, or somebody says that it was 2019, or some reports say that we moved to fourth dimension in the year December 2020. So dimensions are levels up. So we as a human were in third dimension because we could feel, we could see, we could objectify, and also we were more prone to seeing what is being presented to us rather than connecting to the higher spirit realms and trying to know what are the scenes behind us, or our consciousness, which is basically the thought process, the presence of mind, the mindfulness was only at that level of dimension, which is basically only visible to presently to everybody. But when our consciousness or our understanding or our awareness gets to a higher realm, we see things which is beyond. We connect to the higher powers of different realms, and the highest one, which we say that we connect to that realm where we are just one to the God and one to the universe. We know our life purpose, we are so sure about ourselves, our thoughts, our awareness are completely drastically changed from third dimension that we used to be, like getting irritated, getting angry, and coming from the revenge thing and all those. So there are people, there are human, those who are chosen one, and they are going through, everybody is going through the transition, but some people understand all these things beforehand and they work on themselves and they try to connect to that consciousness where the higher power and they are one. But some people are not able to move out of them, so they are still behaving in the similar manner because they are not clueless and they just want to behave the way they are. So it is a choice, it is the will which we have taken, the vow which we have taken, and the decision we have taken before we have taken birth here. So all these changes in Mother Earth, the kind of changes you can see that few days back people were saying it was high level of heat, the sun was flared in a very stronger way. So all these changes which is happening in the Mother Earth is also happening in few human life. So dimension is this spirit or spirituality or spiritual person, and human normal being is the what I explained. Soul is this. Dimensions are different. So lower dimensions are dimensions where we have, see, first of all the dimensions have certain rules and laws that is governed, and what generally can we do and cannot do. So that is why in the 3D dimension everything was so accessible, everything was like behave the way you want, you can react, you can, laws were enforced, but definitely not from inner soul. It was enforced by the external force and we were following that. But what about the inner consciousness? So in 3D there are certain inner consciousness that we do, that we follow. What normal human being does. But so in the lower dimension, what happens? The strong feelings, beliefs, all those things are very important. Politics is important. You're listening to the political people, going with their flow, not highlighting your interest, your soul calling, or anything which is basically making you happy. So you are under the power, you don't speak out, you don't express. These are some signs of lower dimension. But as you go higher, you feel oneness with all the forms. So you spread love, you spread positivity, you're so sure about yourself, you're so aware about yourself, you're not scared by the power, but you want to think about what you love, what your soul calls. So both refers to the rates of vibration and frequency. Higher dimension doesn't judge on anything, and they don't create problems for others. So now from a lower dimension as a human when we were born, and then to a higher dimension where we connect to the higher consciousness, our vibration is high and we feel one to the universe and God. Do you think it is an easy journey? Just think about it. Do you think it will be an easy journey? So definitely most of the healers, most of the people are going through this transition, and they are also experiencing them in their body. So it's not just thought process, because your thought is changing, the consciousness is changing, awareness is changing. You know there is something behind the scenes happening. You know through meditation, you know through some other different modalities. But what is happening, even if you're absorbing all those information, your physical thing has not changed. So you are still in the lower dimension body. So the body, when needs to be adjusted to that dimension, you go through lots of changes. Now that can be a bit difficult. It is not an easy thing. So the gradual transition may have started long back, which we never realized. Now when it is to the point of culmination, the physical pain and physical issue and the physical expansion is giving many people pressure, many people problems. So like some physical symptoms which is prominent and dominant can be seen, but I wouldn't be telling it here right now, because first of all you need to absorb the information which is given in the first video. If you like it, if you want more, then I can share what are the physical symptoms that are happening. So fourth dimension sometimes parallelly works with your third dimension. So we as a human being in the third dimension may easily feel the fourth dimension, which is called deja vu types. Okay, daydreaming types, that you see, okay, this thing has happened because something parallelly consciousness was clear. So deja vu, it can be said that is a fourth dimension experience which you felt in third dimension. But as we rise high, time and space, separation becomes weak. So in comparison to all the lower dimensions, now that is what I'm saying, that you connect to the higher consciousness, you become one to the universe. You know our soul has a presence in all dimensions and at all times. So you get that power to know that being in the third dimension or fourth dimension, now you can feel something mentally, something soulfully, something in imagination. You can feel the higher dimension things. So it depends all on our focus, attention, where we are focusing in interested to know. So physical body is still there, the energy body changes, like intuition rises, your emotions, your aura changes. So a 4 dimension would have full access to third dimension and lower dimension, but still be evolving towards the dimension which we are shifting to, that is fifth dimension. So higher dimensions are described as being light, transported, flexible, less complex, more broadly encompassing, having higher frequency vibration, increasing sense of universal oneness. So higher we transition, we are closer to the realms, closer to the God consciousness. Now important point is ascension, transcending, which is now what we all feel, most of us. It is said that Mother Earth already was going through this transition, and as I said, some people said it is 2012, 2019 and then 2020. So our body is at third dimension and we are ascending and also transitioning to this higher realms and dimension. Now bringing our physical body into the same higher density dimension is known also as transmutation, which is extremely difficult and rare for most of us. So when we say we are transmuting to fifth dimension, please understand the consciousness it has risen, but not third dimensional physical status. So enlightened people, the word when we say enlightened, please try to understand what exactly it means. Enlightened people have their transcendent state shift in the consciousness state permanently. Consciousness. Awakened people fall in and out of all these states. So awakened means एक बार आप थर्ड डायमेंशन के हिसाब से बात करते हो, एक बार आप फोर्थ फिफ्थ डायमेंशन के लेवल पे आ जाते हो. सो देयर इज अ शिफ्ट एंड वेरी फ्रीक्वेंट शिफ्ट. And how do we actually then benefit out of this transition? What you can do is, many people does channeling. That is what we do through card reading. We do through go through some healing modality, and we get hypnosis is done, past life reading done. So channeling, lucid dreams helps in temporarily visiting in different conscious level to understand where you are and what are those different consciousness. Some also say that the earth was already in the fourth dimension, and now the transition which we are talking about is going to the fifth dimension. So earth already moved to fourth, and now it is going to fifth. So human living there is also going through certain transitions. Now everybody will have a different journey of transitions. So how do you know your journey? When you feel all those symptoms which is happening, because the body is changing, the energy is changing. So definitely if there is no other physical complication and you don't have to check with your doctor, so there could be some transitioning in the body which is happening. And as I said, I'm not going to discuss this in this first video, but definitely I may come up with more information. I'm also a seeker and learner in this phase, and I'm learning and trying to gather information for myself. So authenticating only few things which I am also facing in the physical level as well in the conscious level. And then I cannot say that everybody who is going through the similar thing may be a transition process for them. You need to check with your doctors, you need to check and get your medical treatment done if something is going beyond. But definitely consciousness, if it is moving, you will feel that, you will realize it. So this is very precisely trying to make you understand what transition Mother Earth is going through, and just because of that transition, the souls which we who are here are going through the transitions from dimensions. What they might be feeling the experience in their physical as well, mental, emotional. Some people go through different modality to understand the consciousness changes. I hope it helps, and do let me know if you have more questions about it, and I would be really happy to make videos on it. Till then, stay safe and please take good care of yourself.